Hi there, my name is Gareth Whittock and this is Vibraslide. The Vibraslide system consists of a hand-blown glass slide and a controller pedal. Plug your guitar and the slide into the pedal controller, turn it on and sustain your sound for as long as you like. Press the right foot switch for harmonic modes. Plug in a volume pedal to the effects insert to bring the effect in as subtly as you like without changing your original guitar sound. Plug in a wah-wah pedal to dynamically control which harmonics are feeding back. The Vibraslide works on a standard guitar too. You can use it like an ebow by pressing it close to the bridge. Control the pitch of theremin type sounds by altering your volume and tone controls. Bring the slide close to your pickups when strumming for distorted sounds. Using the insert points, Vibraslide will pick out the various overtones in a chord on both standard and slide guitars, and no modification is needed to your instrument. With your help, we can develop the product and bring it to market. Thank you.